Building good habits. Hello everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today I want to talk about something that can completely change our lives. Building good habits. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to achieve their goals more easily? Do they have more talent? Do they have more luck? Sometimes the answer is much simpler than we think. Many successful people have built good daily habits. Our habits shape our lives. The small things we do every day become the person we are. If we have good habits, our lives slowly improve. If we have bad habits, they can hold us back. The good news is that anyone can build better habits. You don't need to change your whole life in one day. You just need to start with one small step. For example, if you want to read more books, don't tell yourself to read for 3 hours every day. Instead, begin by reading for just 10 minutes. 10 minutes may seem like a small amount of time, but if you do it every day, those minutes add up. The same is true for exercise. You don't have to spend hours at the gym. A short walk around your neighborhood, a few stretches, or 15 minutes of exercise can make a big difference over time. One habit that has helped many people is waking up at the same time every day. A regular morning routine helps your body and mind feel more organized. You don't have to wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning. Just choose a time that works for you and try to be consistent. Another great habit is planning your day. Every morning or the night before, write down a few important tasks. Don't make your list too long. Choose the things that matter most. Completing even 2 or 3 important tasks can make you feel productive and motivated. Good habits also include taking care of your health. Drink enough water. Eat healthy meals. Get enough sleep. Take short breaks when you need them. Your body and your mind work best when you take good care of them. One habit that many people forget is learning something new every day. You don't have to spend hours studying. Read one article. Watch an educational video. Learn one new English word. Or discover one interesting fact. Small learning habits help your knowledge grow over time. Building good habits is not always easy. In the beginning, you may forget. You may feel lazy. You may even skip a day. That's completely normal. The important thing is not to give up. If you miss one day, simply start again the next day. Don't wait until Monday. Don't wait until next month. Start again as soon as you can. Another helpful idea is to connect a new habit with an old one. For example, after brushing your teeth, you can practice 5 new English words. After drinking your morning coffee, you can read 1 page of a book. Connecting habits makes them easier to remember. It's also important to celebrate small successes. If you complete your habit for a week, be proud of yourself. If you keep going for a month, celebrate your progress. Small victories give us the motivation to continue. One thing I have learned is that habits are more powerful than motivation. Some days you feel motivated. Other days you don't. But if something has become a habit, you'll do it even when you don't feel like it. That's why habits are so important. They help us stay consistent. They help us grow. And they help us reach our goals one step at a time. Remember, big changes often begin with very small actions. Reading 1 page. Walking for 10 minutes. Learning 1 new word. Drinking 1 extra glass of water. Saving a small amount of money. These simple actions may not seem important today. But after a year they can completely change your life. So don't try to become perfect overnight. Focus on becoming a little better each day. 1 good habit. 1 small improvement. 1 positive choice. That's how real progress happens. Now I'd like to ask you a few questions. What is 1 good habit you already have? What new habit would you like to build? Which habit has made the biggest difference in your life? How do you stay motivated when building a new habit? And what small action can you take today to become a better version of yourself? Thank you so much for listening. I hope you enjoyed today's commentary. Remember, your future is built by the habits you practice today. Start small, stay consistent, and never stop improving. Take care, keep building good habits, and I'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye.